Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio, and today we are going to review the account of Geoffrey. Geoffrey joined our funded trader program last August on the 11th, and he reached his first 10% target on the 1st of October. Okay, if we have a look at these equity lines, we can see, a lot of up and down throughout his journey. We can see here in the beginning, when he first started, by the end of August, he was down by minus 2.91%. Then he had a speed recovery up to 3.79%. And then down again, and then it went up to the point that he hit his 10% target in October. If we have a look at the statistics, we can see he have a daily average return of 0.08%, which is a bit low, but a maximum drawdown overall of 4.69%. So even if he had few ups and downs throughout the period, he still managed to stay away from the drawdown limit, which is good. He took an overall of 101 position, 101 trades, with a profitability rate of 49%. So slightly the half of the position that he took, he won. Let's have a look at this average win and average loss. We can see how pip-wise his average win is 24 pips, while his average loss is roughly 20 pips. So we can say roughly 1 to 1. We can consider that in terms of pips. His best trade was done on the 28th of August, both in terms of dollars than in terms of pips. He gained $570, and pip-wise he gained 114 pips, while his worst trade in terms of dollars was on the 9th of October. So just this one is after he hit his first 10% target, so we should not even mention this one in this review, but still this is a live track record, so we can have a look as well. And he lost $345. And yes, also his worst trade in terms of pips was done after he hit his first 10% target. So maybe we want to have a better look at that in the second review that we are going to do with him when he will reach the second target. Let's also have a look at the summary so we can see which pair he traded the most. And we can see here 53 positions in the Euro USD, Euro dollar, that basically, although are translating in a loss of $33. But if we have a better look here, we can see that he took 26 position long and he gained $863, and he took 27 positions short, in which basically he lost 897%. So I believe that on this pair, his losing trade and his winning trade were just offsetting each other. What basically gave him the major profit was the pound Swiss franc and the pound yen, in which he gained respectively 338 dollars and $275. So we can see also some consistent losses in the euro pound for $515. And some other trades, some other position here. We can see good results also on the pound dollar as well. Okay, let's have a look at the history just to understand if he respected the rules. This is when he joined on the 11th of August, just as we saw from the equity line. And he basically straight away went full lot on the majority of his positions. We can see all here 0.5, 0.5, some position 0.10, 0.4, but he used most of his, full lot for most of his positions basically. Then he starts reducing here, 0.25, 0.5, maybe he was just splitting that. And here is when on the 1st of October, he hit his first 10% target, and now is, we were saying before, trading at the moment. So let's have a look at the duration, the average duration of his trade, and it's 8 hours and 23 minutes. Let's have a look at the scatter plot. Yes, we can see that the majority of his trade just below 1 day, just 3 of them below 3 days, between 1 day and 3 days, and only 1 position were held for longer, for 6 days, and it was unfortunately a losing position. Let's have a look at the monthly gain. So he joined, we said, on the 11th of August, and he had a return of 3.35%. Then for the month of September, we have a gain of 5.28%. So we can see an improvement here from August to September. And now for the moment, we are negative in October, but I mean, we are just at half of October, so there is time to recuperate. For now, we are minus 3.53%, so nothing major. Okay, very well done also to you, Geoffrey, and we look forward to do a second review for your account as well.